and that's the dark truth. Now shit's blotting out the sun like the car fumes. Can't move for daft rumours or the half-truths. This is real life scenes, never no cartoons. And you're imagining we're characters we aren't, dude. I thought we rolled tight as Tutankhamun. Now I just wonder what, if anything, these scars prove. Fuck artists, fuck music, fuck the dance we do. Even though I check and hope to see you passing through. And everything I do I feel to just invite you to. But I still haven't seen a single olive branch from you. Pull my weight, we brought in over half the crew. Wet from flying and tired in the arms from glue. And respect is hard to earn, work is hard to prove. But nothing happened when a captain lacks his army troops. See, I'm just hurt, heart bruised and harpooned. I'm trying to work out what, if anything, these scars prove. Can't believe it after all the zoots, lost and booze. Can't believe a friend would take an article for true. What did I do? Not a jam same night as you. And never beefed with our venue till it can't be used. I never went on no offensive like somebody used. Or blame no one but myself for the paths I choose. This is friendship, more than just a daft crew. It's more than 400 people in a dark room. It's more than hip hop, goes past the last tune. We're too close for beef, and neither of us could pass away this afternoon. I'm past feuds. Like I said before, I'm all about the love. I'm not really bothered, like. Another thing I get asked a lot about the Scuff and Ninja Show album and the Delegates album, and how come, like, you know, asking us if we split up and just check it. The funny thing about life is that it moves on. For every one thing right, you get a few wrong. And in our yard, life was a party that continued on. I fell in love and moved out cause I was too gone. I got lazy and too settled in my new pad. I was so wrapped up I never even knew it was bad. I lost a lot of friends, at least a few I had, but didn't notice time fly or just who was mad. I fixed up cause I couldn't lose my best friends. Just in time for new life to come and bless them. Now I'm an uncle 7 times, it was fresh then. I'm getting ahead of myself, let's take it back to when. See, me and Ninja was recording but the crew weren't. I may be wrong but that maybe left my crew hurt. And all of a sudden made me realise what my crew worth. And somehow I'd lost touch with where my crew were. I couldn't take it, wasn't me to hear the tunes first. But never hated the fact my crew were doing work. Just felt left out, that's selfish but true words. Then I was buzzing that my crew could get the music heard. It weren't the first time the Delegates inspired me. They stood by me when most of my life tired me. So when they asked me if we split, say you don't understand me. We've never been a crew or even friends, with family. And that's me. See, I'm on some heart on my sleeve business. Hopefully that clears a few things up. Big up to Big Monster Truck, B109 on the beat. Big up to everyone out there. Anyone that's close to me, don't leave me on the dark side of the world. Come and let me in, tell me what's going on.